Welcome to today's video, and thank you for joining. In this tutorial, I will guide you through how to add a description in the Flickr app on your phone. Adding a description helps personalize your profile, share details about yourself, and connect better with the community. First, open the Flickr app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top of the screen. Then, select About from the available options. After that, tap on Description, and a field will appear where you can type your text. Enter your description exactly the way you want it to appear on your profile. Finally, once you are done, tap on Done at the top right corner to save your changes. Adding a description is a quick and effective way to make your Flickr profile stand out. It allows other users to know more about you and what you share. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.